Assalamu alaikum. Myself is Fazila and welcome this presentation on Queen Elizabeth. In this presentation, I will share the remarkable life and the legacy of the Queen Elizabeth. Let's take moments to reflect on the extraordinary reign of the Queen Elizabeth. It is honor to me to talk about the era of the Queen Elizabeth, a monarch whose life and the reign left an indelible mark on the history. In this presentation, we will explore her life, achievement, and challenges that she faced in her life. I hope that I can properly inform you about her era. Okay, let's move toward the slides. First of all, we will talk about her early life. Queen Elizabeth Alexandra Mary Windsor was born on 21 April 1926 to the Duke and the Duchess of the York, later King George and the Queen Elizabeth. Alongside her sister, Princess Margaret, she spent her early years in London receiving a private education tailored to prepare her for a life of the public services. And the title of this slide is The Ascension to the Throne. At just 25 years old, the Queen ascended to the throne following the death of her father, King George. Her coronation in 1953 was a groundbreaking as it was the first to be televised, bringing the monarchy close to the people of worldwide. I am going to talking about her achievements. Those are indelible marks on the history. Throughout her 17 years reign, Queen Elizabeth became the symbol of the stability and the continuity. She modernized the monarchy, fostered international relationships through the commitment to the Commonwealth, and remained a steadfast presence during the time changes and the challenges. Now we'll talk about the challenges that she faced in her life. Queen Elizabeth faced numerous challenges from the personal losses such as death of the Queen Diana, from personal losses to navigating family controversies and the public criticisms. Despite this trial, her unwavering composure reinforced her image as a resilient leader. Visual newspaper headlines and the reflective images of the key moments. Let me talk about her cultural impact on her society. Queen Elizabeth's cultural impact extended far beyond her role as a monarch. She became a global symbol of the stability, bridging the gap between the traditions and modernity in an ever changing world. Under her reign, she successfully adopted the royal traditions and remained relevant in the modern society. Queen Elizabeth was not just a queen, she was an unifying figure who inspired the countless individuals and unwavering commitments. Her legacy will continue to influence and inspire for the generation to come. Her legacy will forever be remembered as one of the grace, duty, and the unwavering dedications. Now, I just want to talk about her global influences on the world. Queen Elizabeth's influences extended far beyond the United Kingdom. Over the course of her reign, she met with the more than 110 world leaders, foreign strong diplomatic relationships that contributed to the global stability. Her travel took her to over 120 countries where she was often regarded as a symbol of the continuity and diplomacy. One of the most significant moments of her global engagement came in 1957 when she addressed the United Nations, signaling her commitment to international cooperation and peace throughout her reign. She attended the countless global summits and played a key role in shaping the international relations. Queen Elizabeth was not a just queen, she was revered figure on the world stage. We will discuss the role of Queen Elizabeth in technologies. During her reign, the world experienced immense changes from the technology's breakthrough to shift in social values. Queen Elizabeth adopted to these changes using the modern platform like social media to keep the monarchy relevant. Through the Queen Elizabeth reign, the world saw an incredible transformation in the technology from the early days of her monarchy when communication was largely by telegram to the rise of the internet and digital communication. She navigated a rapidly change in the world. Her presence in the digital age demonstrated her commitment to staying relevant while also reflecting the changing times. Queen Elizabeth's legacy, in part, is one of bridging the old and new, ensuring that the monarchy remained an institution capable of technology's progresses. In this slide, we will discuss the services of Queen Elizabeth. Services was at the heart of Queen Elizabeth's reign. Through her promotions and initiatives, she championed causes like healthcare, education, and conservation, leaving a profound impact on a countless lives. Honoring of her memory. Queen Elizabeth was passed on September 8, 2022, marked the end of an era. Her legacy lives on through the monarchy and the people who continue to honor her memory. In the end of my presentation, I will discuss the lessons and the reflections from the era of Queen Elizabeth, dedication to the services, and the power of resilience. The era of Queen Elizabeth was a golden age of exploration, culture, and progress, a legacy that continued to inspire us. Let us take these lessons of resilience, innovations, and leadership into our own lives. Thank you so much.